to get the fuck out here right now. This cop just ran this person over. Share this shit right now. Share this shit right now. You guys just ran someone over. They just ran someone over. These cops just ran. No, I don't want it, brother.